Today we are going to be working on a 1993 Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and we are going to be replacing the trans reverse switch. So this just tells the car that it's in reverse, and it will light up the rear reverse lights. The reason we're replacing it is it's leaking out the sensor where this black part is, as transmission fluid gets pushed in here and it will activate the switch. Now this is a Chinese one. I got $16 off of Amazon. Probably link it down in the description. And I had to get this copper washer separately, as it doesn't come with it, to help seal it. The tools you'll be needing is a 10mm socket with a wrench and a tiny extension, and then you'll need a open end 24mm spanner or socket. If you have a socket, it will need to be deep, as you don't want to mess with this black part or it'll just leak out the same. The first step is to unclip the air intake. So you have the 4 clips all around, and then you'll need to pull off this tube. That's just for the crankcase pressure to go back into the engine. And then you'll have this 10mm nut on the top, or bolt, that you'll need to loosen up, and you'll be able to take this whole air intake out. So let me do that. Alright, so now we have the intake off, and you also have to disconnect the MAF connector. So next, you just need to unhook this, move it out the way, and then this connector, it's just 2 wires, and you have the clip right here. So you push that in and pull up, and there it is. So now all you have to do is take a thing, put it on there, and then just loosen it and take it off. Now it is out the car, and as you can see, they're both the same, and we have the crush washer. As you can see where it's leaking on the top. It's all oily, so that's what was our problem. Now we just gotta install the new one and make sure nothing falls in the hole or you're screwed. So now that we've got the new one on and I tightened it down, we're gonna put the connector back on, and then you're gonna take some brake clean and then just spray off the area, give it a wipe down, and then now you'll just watch it for the upcoming week and then see if it leaks. Now it's just for the reverse. You put the intake back on, clip it, put the MAF sensor on, and then the crankcase ventilation hose on, and then tighten down the 10mm to the throttle body, and you'll be all done. Well, thank you for watching. Everything is put back together, and now you'll just need to drive the car around and check after every drive to see if it's leaking. Make sure you like and subscribe.